Hello! This week we have a batch of new image words as well as a handful of new skills clips that I'd like to share. I'd also like to give a brief demonstration of how you can customize your students' assignments by adding clips from the Gemini library. So let's jump right into it. Let's check out this week's new videos. Choose Video Library, scroll down to the Gemini library and My Videos. And when this loads, select Build New Video, Complete Library Access. So this week, instead of going through each category one at a time, I'm going to filter the library to show only what's new. Scroll to the bottom of the filters, select Latest Videos, and check the box next to New in the last 7 days. So the first words that I see are ball, billiards, bingo, and other words related to games. This week we added a huge selection of new image words teaching vocabulary related to all kinds of sports, games, and toys. You can find them by filtering the library to show only the newest additions to the site, or by going to the Games and Toys category under Spoken Language, People, Places, Things, and there it is, Games and Toys. So I can see that there's 47 clips here. I'm going to show 50 clips per page. And if I scroll to the bottom, you can see that we've also added a small batch of social skills clips to help reinforce waiting your turn to talk. Half of these clips teach responding to a prompt to wait your turn to speak, and the other half model the desired behavior without the prompt. The child approaches the conversation and self-corrects to wait until the conversation is finished before speaking. The self-correction here is modeled using a voiceover of the child's interior monologue. Let's go ahead and preview one of these.
So I'm sitting there doing my homework, and my mom walks in and says, "You want to go?"
I need to wait until they're done talking.
I was like, "Oh yeah."
Awesome. They are done talking. Now it's my turn. Do you guys want to play kickball?
Okay.
Great, so you can find these clips here in the new videos, or you can find them under skills, social skills, and these are in taking turns talking. Today I wanted to show you how to do something a little bit different. Let's say that my child has tested into level 3 of the language pyramid, and we're currently working on the level 3 assignments. Now, I really like the words that we're learning in level 3, but my student is really interested in all kinds of animals, and so I want to add some animals clips to his assignments to get him really excited about his Gemini sessions. I want to show you how you can use our Customize tool to add clips from the Gemini library to any of your student or child's current assignments. So first, I need to navigate back to the Gemini homepage and open the assignment that I want to add new clips to in Customize mode. Let's say that my student is working on basic word labels shapes. So I can locate that assignment under my student's assignments and select the little pencil icon, which indicates Customize. Click there. In the first step of the Customize process, I can duplicate, remove, preview, or rearrange clips by clicking and dragging up and down. I don't want to move anything around or delete any of the clips from this playlist. I only want to add new clips. I don't need to change anything here, so I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page and select Next. This next page is where we add our teaching clips. This opens up a simplified version of the Gemini clip library. If you read this caption at the top of this page, you can see that this version of the library only includes basic word labels clips. This means that all of the clips here have been selected by the experts at Gemini to work with level 3 assignments. You could add any of the clips from this page and be certain that you aren't adding clips that are at an inappropriate level for your student. So the next thing I need to do is search for the clip that I want to add. You can use the search bar here, or you can filter through the categories until you have found the clip that you want. I don't know which animal I want, so I'm going to go through spoken language, people, places, things, to get to the animals category and look through common animals until I find something that looks interesting. So when I see a clip I think I'd like to add, I can click preview.
Bunny. 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 Bunny.
Great. When you're ready to add your clip, select Add, and you can see that this has added Bunny to the bottom of our playlist. Go ahead and select Next when you're ready to move on. This next page is kind of similar to the last one. It displays all of our humor and motivational clips. You can add these to your session if your student is having trouble staying interested when it's time to watch a Gemini session. These clips are fun and exciting, and sprinkling them throughout your assignment can help your students stay engaged. I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to the end of my session. This last step is where I give my new video title and finalize the order of my playlist. I have one more chance to remove, duplicate, or preview any of these clips or to rearrange them in my playlist. I want to put the clips that I've just added at the very beginning of my playlist so that they play at the very beginning of my video. So click and drag Bunny, scroll up to the top of the page, and then we're going to grab Humor Video. All the way up to the top. The next thing I need to do is give my video a title. I'm going to call this My Custom Assignment, but you can name it whatever you would like. When you've given it a title and you're happy with the order of the clips, scroll to the bottom and select Save. So this creates a copy of the video in your video library, which displays as soon as you click Save. Now I have my own copy of the assignment with all of the changes that I've made. Since my new clips are at the beginning of the playlist, when I click Preview, those should be the first clips that play.
Bunny. Bunny.
Looks good. Okay, this session is ready to be assigned. So clicking Assign will bring up the Assign page where you can choose the number of repetitions. We recommend 42 repetitions per week, and then you can select Send Assignment. Your assignment has been sent. The new assignment will appear on your student's assignment page. Click Take Me there to go back to the home page. Perfect. Now you can see that our new session, My Custom Assignment, appears under your student's assignments. There are lots of possibilities when it comes to customizing your students' assignments, and in future updates I hope to walk through some of the other features that we offer. I also wanted to mention that our production team is putting the finishing touches on a project to teach simple opposites. This is a new format for us, and I'm really looking forward to sharing more about that next week. If you want help using any of the new content or doing anything that I've shown you today, please reach out to one of our product specialists by following the link at the end of this post. If you're looking for a specific type of clip and you can't find it on the site, please send a content request to videos@gemini.org. Thanks for watching and have an awesome week.